Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kids Me, and I am back again with another video. Ladies, it is ponytail season. I feel like we're bringing the ponytails out for the summer. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you two looks, as you already saw in the thumbnail and the beginning of this video. Both of these clip-in ponytails are going to be from Nadula Hair. Just like to show you the unboxing of the hair so you can see exactly how it came to me. One of the units I'm showing you up on the screen now is going to be a Kinky straight unit. And what I love so much about these ponytails is the fact that it's a clip-in piece and it already has an extra piece of hair that you wrap around the ponytail already attached, which makes it so easy and convenient. And the second ponytail we're going to be trying is going to be this like wet and wavy type of texture. Not sure on the inches, but I'll have it all down in the description box below. One thing I love that Nadula Hair did was they sent me this cute little robe. So that's what you'll see me rocking while we're installing these two ponytails. I went ahead and pretty much gave myself a blowout. I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair, so I didn't flat iron my hair at all. I went ahead and sectioned out a bang piece because I wanted to do the cute ponytails with the long curly bang. So that is the look that we're going for look number one. Now, I went ahead and used some clip-ins. I definitely would suggest you use clip-ins if you're like me and you don't want to put any glue on your hair. But if not, you can just glue some straight pieces at the top. These are going to be the products that I am going to be using. Your girl is 100% natural. So I tried not to put any gel product on my hair because I knew if I did, it was going to curl back up. And you'll see towards the end of the video, I did mess up with the second style by putting gel on my hair because my natural hair curled right up within seconds. But anywho, not going to talk you too much longer. I'm going to pop in and out of this video with little comments here and there. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of this video, the music, and this install.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let's leave. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So right here, I just wanted to show you that this is what the style is looking like. You can wear the ponytail straight. It is absolutely gorgeous straight. I just wanted to add some jazz to it, so that's why I went in with my curling wand. But you can definitely rock it like this, and even the bang piece that I had in front, you can just wrap that around your ear. Sis, this is definitely a look too. Another thing I want to point out, even though there's a clip on this ponytail, for me personally, I had to add in some extra pins. I just like for my units, wigs, ponytails, whatever the case may be, I just like for it to be secure. I don't want any embarrassing moments when I'm out in public. So I did go in and add some extra clips, some extra hairpins, just to make sure the wig was intact. So this is going to be look 2. Well, I guess you can say look 2 because we had the straight as look 1. This is look 2. Absolutely love it. So flawless. What I love about this kinky straight texture is that it mimics my natural hair perfectly, especially when it's just blown out and it's not completely straight. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I love the versatility of this ponytail, how you can pretty much do anything you want to it, to be honest. You can straighten it, you can curl it as you see. You can wear it in the up high ponytail, low ponytail, side ponytail. It's really just up to you, sis, and what you would like to do. Here's where I said I messed up by putting gel on my natural hair, but we're just gonna push through the actual video. I would have preferred my hair to stay straight like in the previous clip, but I'm just going to do the same thing that I did the first time to the second ponytail. These are going to be some cute, cheap, affordable ponytail looks for you. Love these because they're actually human hair. So it has a lot of versatility to it. If you wanted to straighten it, curl it, or you just want to switch it up and pretty much do what you want to do, you can dye these as well. So if you decide to go that route, you can do that too, sis. The choice is yours. And then that is going to be the finished look for that one as well. Y'all already know how I do. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below for Nadula hair. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.